viewers, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook page not found problem. So let's start. Open your phone settings, scroll down, now click on apps. Facebook, click on Facebook, scroll down, now click on store, now click on data cleaner cache, scroll down, now click on permission, click on permission enable, follow my next step. Open your Play Store and check updated Facebook apps. Open your Facebook, see your problem solved successful. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.